Hi, in this project I'm going to show you how you can make this traffic light using Arduino. For this project you need Arduino, 4 red LEDs, 4 yellow LEDs, 4 green LEDs, 12 220 ohm resistors, but now I'm using 1 kilo ohm resistors, and some wires. First I want to put the LEDs on breadboard, so you should start with red, then yellow, and green, like this. Red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, and green. Red, yellow, and green, just like this. After that, you should connect the resistors to the negative pin of the LEDs, like this. So here you can see the negative pin of LEDs connect to the resistors, and all the resistors connect them together in here. Do this for all the LEDs. I do the same thing for all the LEDs. So now you should connect all the resistors together like this, and
this one and this one.
Now this wire should connect to ground. Okay, so here you need Arduino. Okay, now the positive pin of this green LED, this green LED should connect to pin 2 of Arduino, and yellow to 3, red to 4, and this one, the green LED of this one, should connect to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You should do it like this. Okay, now it's done. As I told you, you should connect this wire to ground like this. Okay. Now as you can see, it's a diagram and it's very simple. and I put the code in comments, you can check it. So now I uploaded the code and I want to try it. Okay, draw red and this one is green and yellow, and now it's green and these are red, yellow. So now it's green and these are red, yellow, and this one is green. So as you can see, it works very well and you can do this project. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.